day with DS Diving Service. It is March 8th. We're at the vessel Siren. I have cleaned the port side. I have not, here you go, there's from above the water. I have not cleaned the starboard side yet. There's from above the water. Ew. All right, let's look at the side I've cleaned. Also, your zinc is a little loose, so when I clean the other side after this video, I am going to tighten it. Let's take a look at the clean side, and then I'll show you the dirty side. Let's look at the other side. Keep in mind, I'm cleaning the boat to remove the fouling and make sure I do not remove paint. There is already a little line right along this water line where the paint has gotten thin. We are doing our best to make sure we remove the fouling but not making that worse. Let's take a look at the other side. Zinc tightened up. Let me get the other side cleaned. And appreciate you using DS Diving Service. Thank you.